Good morning, everybody. Um, Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. My name is Michael Chu, and today is April 24th, 2025, Thursday at 8:42 a.m. Mountain Time, which is 10:42 Eastern Time. We are a little bit over an hour into the market, and we have really good progress. Nasdaq is up 1.79%. Dow is up 0.42%, and a little bit weaker here, and S&P is 1%. Volume is lower than yesterday, but we had a subsequent follow through day yesterday, so that's the good news. Let me just show you here. So we're gonna go to QQQ daily here. So we have 2 days right here. We have the Tuesday gap up here on higher volume. So that's the first follow through day. Then we have another move yesterday, and that's another higher volume. So that is the second follow through day. So we have support line on the trend line. Also now we are above it, and we have moved beyond this point right here, so that is really good. So those are all good signs. Yeah, let me just make sure my stream is working okay here. Okay, yeah, I think it's working, so that's good. All right, so that is the general market. I think we are in a good zone to get into some stocks. Again, this market is very sensitive. It can go either way, but I think overall, it is working. We are seeing progress. Growth stocks are starting to come up. For example, let me show you the trend here. Uh, Actually, I don't have the data here. Let me see. Give me a second here. At the bottom here, this is yesterday's. So that's pretty good number. Let me just copy over to here. Paste special. So we have 124 stocks in uptrend right now, versus 186 downtrend. So which means they have come back above the short-term moving averages. So that is really improvement, big improvement. That was after yesterday. And then we have 169 stocks hitting new high. That is very impressive. So this is telling me the market is the stocks are finally moving, and yeah, so the momentum is up now. So IBD is still put at 0 to 20% allocation, so they're still not very confident. But from the like I said, from the growth stocks perspective, we're seeing lots of movement. So to me, like I said, today the market continued to fall through again. Um, Sorry, I think I screwed it up here. So give me go back here. So yeah, so this is the first follow through day here, and then this is the second follow through day. Yeah, sorry. And then today we are going higher, but obviously it's not follow through day because the volume is lower, right? So that's the difference. All right, so let's look at stocks on the move. We're seeing lots of stocks on the move today, but yeah, so this is 1 hour into the market, so not bad. CP, I don't know what's happening. This is a blank check company. Um, there must be some IPO for CP. That no, well, no, not IPO, but SPAC, right? So some company must have merged into it and went on live today. So I don't we have to do some more research on that. Faro is not the strongest earnings, so I think we pass on that. Panabra, so they did report earnings, and yeah, so they did make. Let me go to the chart for a second here. Panabra. So the problem here is that it did reverse pretty hard this morning. That's the only problem right now. So it's much lower. You can see the intraday chart is really ugly. I mean, you could put a stop here at the lows and then see how it goes. It could be over, but yeah, but I'm just gonna wait and see that. So Panabra, you could wait here and see. Keep going here. We have BSSC, not very strong earnings. Tyler, I think Tyler also. Let me just jump to it quickly here. So the earnings in the fourth quarter is a little bit lower, so that's the reason why I not putting it on my list. But overall, it's been moving though. So that's Tyler. Then we have Roll. Roll also believe it reported very so earnings still okay, right? But here's the chart right here. It really tumbled this morning um, on the earnings news, but it did recover. So um, so here it goes down and then it bounced back, right? So so if you ignore that, this is like I said, shake out a lot of people, and yeah. So I mean, it's still near the trend line here, but the chart, I don't know. There's good and bad. The shakeout is good, but the bad is that it gave up this morning. So that's up to your own judgment. What you think? Usually I don't mind after buying a shakeout. So that's rolling here. Yeah, rolling's right here. So I think it's still okay. Again, if you were in this morning, that would suck because you probably got shaken out. Um, so that's rolling. We have APH. There's electronic parts here. Also reported earnings moving little slower on the fourth quarter here. So that's the only problem there. NEM also reported earnings. So it's starting to look not as good, right? The quarterly earnings going forward. So that's the only problem here. Right now it is up a little bit. So but yeah, that will be not on my list anymore just because of the earnings going forward. We can look at Argo too. So this one didn't report yet. So it's up slightly here. So yesterday it did recover from the drop. We look at gold here. Gold is also, yeah, it's bouncing today. So it's following the same pattern. So yeah, it's okay. Um, let's keep going here. Ferra is not a very strong stock. FER. Yeah, it's not strong earnings, so I'll pass on that. Palantir SAP here. So Palantir continues to follow through after this breakout right here. So it's looking really good. I think it's looking one of the sharpest on the market right now. So yeah, Palantir SAP report earnings. So yesterday and right here, really strong. You see the volume super high. So that's really good. And today holding. So uh, really good earnings quarter. So yeah, very good. So Palantir looking good, SAP looking good. Spotify, let's take a quick look here. It hasn't report yet in 5 days, so next week. But yeah, it continued to make higher highs right now. So yesterday it pulled back from the high, but today it bounced back a little bit. Looks okay. We also have a Wago here, so I might as well show that right now. And yeah, strong earnings sales hasn't report yet. It's bouncing back, and when is it reporting? June 12th. So still a while. So here's the trend line right here. Um, and it surpassed it today, so it looks pretty good. The only thing is this 50 days coming down hard, so it might find resistance there. So other than that, that looks good. CLS, CLS continue to power higher. This is looking really strong. So yeah, looking really strong. GE, this one also bouncing higher, so looking pretty good. Both of those look pretty good. So that's down here. Let me see. Go back to start on the move. We have CBRE. Team doesn't have the strongest earnings. Same thing with CBRE. So I will pass on those. GEV and Macy. Okay, let's go to GEV. GEV reported earnings yesterday. It is kind of moving up higher. The only problem is this earnings number is a little bit lower this coming quarter, but it's still okay. So it's up, yeah, it's up to you. Again, so that's GEV and Macy. Earnings a little bit low on the fourth quarter. That is one problem. It is bouncing back. So yeah, so that's Macy here. Let me see. So QFIN down here. This is Chinese stocks, still strong on it. It's bouncing back. Um, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, so it's still bouncing today, so it looks good. That's good. Okay, I have a few minutes. I'm going to show you some of the stocks that are not on the stocks on the move. One is Grind. So this one is taking off pretty strong. It is a little bit extended right now, but it is moving pretty strong. So that's Grind. LIF. I'll comment more on this on my weekend videos, but yeah, these are some newer names. Lives 360. This one is bouncing back today, so it looks pretty good. LSPD. These are all tech related. This one also bouncing. This is a long trend and it broken. Looks good. Tigo. Tigo continues to move higher, very tight action, really good. Unity. Unity is also looking pretty strong. It's trying to break out on the 50-day line right now. And then we have ServiceNow report this morning. This is very strong action as well. Yeah, so those are some of the tech stocks. On the retail side, we have CVNA. This one is starting to move. It's coming out right now, getting towards new high area. Netflix still doing pretty good. It's been taking off. SFM holding pretty tight here, so looks okay. SE, this one is a little bit weaker. It's trying to come up, but I keep going back. Let's go to industrial. Sterling. This one is it pulled back after this, and then right now it's holding tight, so it might work this time. We'll see. MTR. This one is also holding tight. We'll see if that can work or not. On the health side, we have ARWR. This one is slowly moving up. We'll see if that can work. ONC. This one is starting to move higher. TGTX. This one is also starting to move higher. ZLab. This one is pulled back today, but it's recovering, so it looks okay. Lily. This one is also bouncing today. ADMA. Well, this one is come out with cup handle base. Now it's trying to move higher. We have one. I have one steel related stock here. CRS. This is holding tight after. Not sure if it reported yet or not. It says today, so it's going to report today. So there might be a risk here. On the financial side, we have BBAR. And this one is starting to move out of this zone here. And EU, another foreign bank. So the foreign banks are doing really well. You can see it keep going higher. Palomar. This one has pulled back. It look trying to rebound right now. STNE. This one is holding tight after making new highs. So those are some of the stocks on the my growth stocks list that are not on stocks in the move that have been moving. And yeah, hope everyone have a good day. Um, what we want to see is that we have two powerful days so far, and today we're falling through in the sense like not by volume but at least by price. So we are getting out of this zone right here. You see? So this is the previous high right here. We'll see if we can get out of that zone, and then we'll be challenging the 50-day next. So thank